Hello, everyone. In this lecture, we're tackling an exciting and essential aspect of branding, measuring brand equity. While we often discuss brand equity as an abstract concept, it's vital to quantify and assess its value in the marketplace. Only when we measure brand equity can we truly understand a brand's worth and identify areas for improvement. This session will focus on the tools and methodologies used to assess brand equity. It will blend qualitative insights with quantitative analysis to give a holistic view of a brand's standing. Objectives of the lecture are: define the importance of measuring brand equity, explore key qualitative and quantitative tools for assessing brand equity, understand how insights from these tools drive strategic decisions, gain clarity through a story and analogy that illustrate the concept. Why measure brand equity? Measuring brand equity helps businesses identify strengths and weaknesses, pinpoint areas where the brand excels or requires improvement, inform strategic decisions, use data to guide marketing and operational strategies, track performance. Over time, monitor how changes in branding efforts affect equity, attract investment, demonstrate value to stakeholders and potential investors. Example, consider Nike, continuously measuring its brand equity. Nike ensures it remains a leader in sportswear, adapting strategies to meet evolving consumer expectations. Key components of brand equity assessment. Effective measurement requires examining both qualitative and quantitative dimensions. Qualitative approaches: brand awareness, gauging how well customers recognize and recall the brand. Customer sentiment, understanding emotional connections and associations through interviews and focus groups. Brand personality analysis, assessing if customers perceive the brand in line with its intended identity. Quantitative approaches, sales data and market share, analyzing financial metrics to assess brand impact on revenue. Customer lifetime value, CLV, estimating the financial worth of long-term customer relationships. Brand valuation models, using tools like Interbrand's methodology to assign a monetary value to the brand. Tools for measuring brand equity, surveys and interviews. They gather customer insights on brand awareness, loyalty, and perceptions. Net Promoter Score, NPS. This measures how likely customers are to recommend the brand to others. Social media analytics, monitors brand, mentions sentiment, and engagement across digital platforms. Financial analysis links brand equity to financial performance, such as premium pricing and market share. Tracking loyalty programs examines how engagement and rewards drive long-term loyalty. Example, Coca-Cola uses a mix of surveys and social media analytics to monitor brand sentiment globally, adapting campaigns to different cultural contexts, applying insights to strengthen brand equity. Measurement is only half the battle. Once you have the data, it's essential to act on it. Enhance brand awareness. Invest in marketing strategies that increase visibility. Address weaknesses. Tackle areas where customer sentiment or quality perception falls short. Leverage strengths. Use positive feedback to reinforce the brand's positioning. The shoe store that listened. Imagine a local shoe store, Soul Stories. The owner, Rachel, believed her brand had strong equity, but noticed sales stagnating. Rachel surveyed her customers to measure brand awareness and sentiment. The results revealed a gap. While customers valued the product quality, they felt the brand didn't communicate its values well. Rachel used this feedback to launch a campaign highlighting her eco-friendly practices. Sales increased, and customer loyalty strengthened. Moral of the story: measuring brand equity uncovers actionable insights that can elevate a brand's performance. Analogy: the health checkup. Think of measuring brand equity as conducting a health checkup for your brand. Just as a doctor examines factors like heart rate, blood pressure, and cholesterol to assess overall health, brand managers analyze various metrics to evaluate a brand's standing. Both processes help identify what's working well and what needs attention.